Here we have a 2003 Ford f-150 STX 5.4 liter. Kind of tricky situation here. I just cleared a code for a P0401 code, or whatever the service engine light code was thrown. It threw out 3 codes, but I took it to the shop, got it fixed, and now it's running just fine, as you can see. Service engine light is right there, and it's gone. So even though the service engine light is off, still trying to figure out where is this shaking coming from. Take a look at my bag in the console. Don't know why it's doing that. So there's no, obviously if I plug it up to the computer, it's not going to tell me anything. So there's like not my putting drive. Take a look at my bag. It stops a little bit. It still has like a little slight, just a very light slight miss in it. So if there's like any pointers or like any suggestions, please feel free to post them right below. And there it goes again. So post and let me know what you think.